Hi there, this is Sandra with the Mortgage Center. I am going to talk to you a little bit about something that you may not know we do. And I'd love to share this information with you because you may know somebody who needs this type of financing. So at the Mortgage Center, we actually have do quite a bit of private loans or private mortgages. And so what we do is we match the person who's borrowing the money versus the person who is lending the money. And because we have a pool of private lenders that we work with on a regular basis, it often is less expensive and also better for you than going to like Alpine Credits or an organization like that. You'll find that the transaction also goes a lot smoother. So when are some of the times that you would need a private loan? It's really if you are looking for some money that's just going to bridge you over a short period of time. And oftentimes we have requests for private financing from self employed people who may have had sort of a challenging time over the last couple of years, need to pay off outstanding Revenue Canada, or maybe they may need to do some work on a commercial property they own. So that's a great way to use a private loan. The other thing that we do quite a bit of is a lot of people have mortgages right now where the interest rate might be 2 or 2.5%, but they've accumulated some debt in the last couple of years because of the pandemic and work situations, or maybe on maternity leave. Losing that interest rate sometimes is a tricky situation because when you refinance an entire mortgage, and especially if your credit is bruised, you might end up with one big loan at a higher rate. So, what we often do is private second mortgages to allow people to keep their first mortgage and bridge them over just for a short period of time until their credit repairs and to help them get back on track. Private mortgages and the private mortgages that we do also are excellent when there's construction involved. So I just got a call last week for somebody who is doing a major renovation on their house, an $800,000 renovation on their house, and they were going to use a private construction loan that we're going to set up for them, just because the bank that they were dealing with was very cumbersome, wanted quite a bit of money for fees and also delays in actually getting the mortgage approved. So these are some of the great things that we can help you with at the Mortgage Center. If you think you might be a candidate or wanted to explore a little bit more about private financing as a borrower, we can help you with that. If you are thinking about lending in private mortgages, we usually start with private lenders that have an approximate 500,000 available. So give me a call if you end up in that situation, and we'd be happy to help you invest that money. We are always here to help. You can always set up an appointment with me at skipthebank.ca at my website. Have a great afternoon, or have a great day.